Hello everyone, it's us again, the Guillories, and it's December 1st, and we're going to do advent calendar, and the one we'll do one each day, one day. This is the horse farm one by Playmobil. So here goes first. For the very first one, we're going to roll the dice. Where are you, Adrian?
I'm right here. She's looking at her foot.
Okay, so 4. Beat 4. And then we have a roll off if we get the same. Oh, come on! You can't. Oh, Chris is under the dang couch now. Really? Princess Leia? I mean, Chris?
You used to
roll
the dice.
There's another one.
Your enemies don't ask what that means because I have.
Can you get it on the table?
5.
Seriously? Okay, gotta
But
be
is
5.
it too far away? Should I bring it back
That's
and roll again?
only
No,
possible
it's
if I
fine.
can get
As long
a
as it's on the
6.
table.
Which I probably won't get.
Yeah, I got 5.
Okay, roll off. Okay, go again. On the table right here. Chrissa.
Oh, I'm definitely not gonna win now.
2. Okay,
Oh,
maybe
unless I
she
get a
gets
1.
Oh well, it doesn't matter. I'll get a prize eventually.
I got a 3.
Okay, so Adrian gets to go first.
Oh
So tomorrow,
Has Adrian ever gone first? I don't think so.
No.
probably not. And that means then next goes Chrissa, and then me.
We
So
only did 2 hours of Disney and the Marvel.
today we are opening. Let's see, where is it? I seen it earlier. Number 1 is right there.
And then you pop it open.
Yeah, I pop it and pick it out for her. So, what did you get, Adrian? Number 1.
That was the sound of the vegetables cracking.
Oh no,
Yep.
poor vegetables. I got a person with a brush.
Oh, she's got one of the people that take care of the horses on the farm. Okay, so go ahead and open her up. So day 1 is done. Goodbye.
What's this? Is this part of it? Or is this something different?
It's a whip, I think.
Okay,
I don't know.
With a brush.
Oh, let's see. Does it show her? She has a brush, but it doesn't show anything else in her hand.
Because it's on another object.
Oh, okay. She just sets it on another object. Is that a whip? Or is it a magic wand?
If it were darker in here, I'd look like a photo head.
Not really. Okay.
Okay, so there she is, ready to conduct her orchestra. Do 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 do. I'm gonna whip that horse. If it doesn't stay still, I'm gonna brush it.
Brenda won't look like
If it doesn't stay still, I'm gonna brush it. Okay, so that's December 1st on the farm, or farm, whatever it was called. No, it doesn't say the one on here, but it was, I think, something like on the farm or horse farm. No, horse farm. It was called horse farm. So, if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Bye.